Python, list versus dict for lookup table. I have about 10 million values that I need to put in some type of lookup table, so I was wondering which would be more efficient, a list or dict? I know you can do something like this for both. And my thought is the dict will be faster and more efficient. Thanks for your help. Edit 1. Little more info on what I'm trying to do. Euler problem 92. I'm making a lookup table to see if a value calculated has already been calculated. Edit 2. Efficiency for lookup. Edit 3. There are no values associated with the value, so would a set be better?
Speed. Lookups in lists are O(n), lookups in dictionaries are amortized O(1), with regard to the number of items in the data structure. If you don't need to associate values, use sets. Memory. Both dictionaries and sets use hashing, and they use much more memory than only for object storage. According to A.M. Kuchling in Beautiful Code, the implementation tries to keep the hash 2/3 full, so you might waste quite some memory. If you do not add new entries on the fly, which you do, based on your updated question, it might be worthwhile to sort the list and use binary search. This is O log n, and is likely to be slower for strings, impossible for objects which do not have a natural ordering.
A dict is a hash table, so it is really fast to find the keys. So between dict and list, dict would be faster. But if you don't have a value to associate, it is even better to use a set. It is a hash table, without the table part. Edit. For your new question, yes, a set would be better. Just create two sets, one for sequences ended in 1 and other for the sequences ended in 89. I have successfully solved this problem using sets.
Set is exactly what you want. O(1) lookups, and smaller than a dict.
As you can see, dict is considerably faster than list and about 3 times faster than set. In some applications you might still want to choose set for the beauty of it, though. And if the datasets are really small, 1000 elements, lists perform pretty well.